The Gunwerks Reserve is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that is carefully assembled and packaged to ensure an enjoyable event, but also a successful trip. We're gathering a small group of people, sometimes 1 or 2, sometimes 10, and we're curating the entire experience from the travel to the outfitter to every step along the way. The reserve takes, the experience we've had in worldwide travel and the relationships we've built, and it leverages that into a curated set of hosted adventures where we go share an epic journey together. I think the value is the selection of the place and the people that we're with, the coordination and logistics support that we create, even to the point where sometimes we make sure that there's rifles in camp and we can completely avoid the travel with a weapon. What we're trying to put together with the reserve is the best something, whether it's the outfitter experience, the opportunity, the trophy, the team, so that when you walk away from that trip, you are ready to sign up for the next one. The best opportunities with the best people. The Gunwerks Reserve is once-in-a-lifetime experiences backed by a brand you can trust.